how to post on Reddit. For this, go ahead and launch your Reddit application on your mobile device. You can do this process using your web browser or in your PC as well. Make sure to log into your Reddit account. To post on Reddit, you have to tap on the plus sign icon at the middle where it says Create, so go ahead and tap on it. Give a title to a post. For an example, I'll be writing Life. Now in the body text, which is optional, you can write random stuff. Here for an example, I've written something like this. At the bottom, you may see some of the icon from which you can add link, image, video, or even create a poll. Once you are happy with it, tap on Next. Select a community where you want to post it. You can also add your own community here. Once you have posted it, you will find your post on your profile. To check on that, tap on your avatar and head to My Profile. Right here, under the Post tabs, you will see all of your recent posts. If you cannot do this process, you have to check for an update. For that, open up your App Store or Play Store and search for Reddit. If there is an update, leave it for an update. Also, check for your Wi-Fi connection. You can switch between Wi-Fi connection or your mobile data if it's causing the issue. And try to post it once again. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.